Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I will be sharing my swatches and always super honest review of the new Holo collection. This one is called the After Party collection, and if I am correct, this is actually the new 2023 holiday collection. So if you are like me and you like a lot of glitter and shimmer and just bedazzle all over the place, definitely check it out because I was not disappointed at all. So this kit actually contains 5 glitter and shimmery polishes. They're all quite unique and quite fun. I really love the different color variation that each and every single polish has, and it also contains a 6th polish, which is a multicolored reflective topper. I'm usually not a big fan of the reflective top coat kind of polishes because the effect of the reflectiveness is only really visible if you go on top with a super bright light like the flashlight on your phone, or even the lighting that I use to record my videos with, because I feel like in real life, if you're just not underneath a lot of artificial lighting and then you use your flash on top, it is a more spectacular effect than what I was able to capture on camera. So I don't know, I'm a little bit torn between those kind of polishes, but let's just get into the swatches as we speak because I am so excited for this first color already. This one was called Midnight Owl, and oh, for the record, I have purchased this collection myself. It was, I think, $83 for the entire limited edition box with the 6 polishes. So this first one, Midnight Owl, is kind of like a bluish purple, like a blurple, I'd say. Beautiful, beautiful glittery polish. There's a lot of holographicness going in this, or going on in this polish. I have to say it is really gorgeous. As you can see, it really has a beautiful purple shimmer in the base color as well. It kind of is like a smoky base tone that is quite buildable. I really was, first of all, with that first coat, I always say don't judge a polish by its first coat, but I pretty much kind of did for this one because I really expected the first coat to be super opaque already. So I was a little scared after that first layer that I would need 3 or 4 coats to get this end result, but fortunately the second layer actually made it completely opaque. It is so stunning. If you are planning on wearing a blue or purple kind of outfit for the holidays, definitely match it up with this polish because it is just so stunning. Oh, chef's kiss, so beautiful. I really love it. Oh, by the way, if you are I don't want to purchase the entire collection because 83 bucks, that's quite a high amount to spend on nail polishes, especially only 6 bottles, you can get these separately as well, so you don't have to pay full price, over 80 bucks on the collection itself. Especially if you only like a couple of colors from this collection, just check out the separate bottles because they're definitely worth it in my opinion, or at least so far. The second one, I think, is also one of my favorites. I feel like there are a lot of colors in here that I really like. Curfew Crasher actually reminds me of a Zoya Patrice, which is one of my all-time favorite colors, but this one doesn't only have the gold shimmer like the Zoya color has, it also has a very slight holographic shimmer to it, or not really slight, a very finely milled, I have to say. I'm really sorry guys, I'm currently over 33 weeks pregnant and pregnancy brain has entered the building for a couple of weeks now, so if I kind of stumble on words or anything like that, that is just because of pregnancy brain, and also the fact that I actually am not American or English or a native English speaker. I'm actually Dutch, so Dutch is my mother mother tongue. So yeah, sorry if I'm a little bit rambly. And also sorry for the state of the skin on my thumb. I actually mangled up my finger and my nail as well, like an hour before recording this video. So that is why the flesh is kind of like, ugh, kind of peeled off. And I actually had to fix my nail as well because I just like cheese grind my nail off like a little bit. So yeah, it was a mess. I was like, oh no, I won't be able to record now, but fortunately I kind of patched it up. But yeah, going in between these colors with nail polish remover, it hurts so bad on my skin. But I was like, I have to put this video up because otherwise there will be no video, and I didn't want to do that. So yeah, long story short, sorry for like the mangled up finger on the left. Stuff like that happens. We're all human, and this only shows you guys that I am human as well, and accidents happen. But yeah, this next color is called Starry Eyed. This one, it is a green, and if you guys have been hanging out with me here at my YouTube channel for a longer period of time, you know that green is my least favorite color to put on my nails as far as nail polishes go. But because there is so much holographic glitter in this one, and also some star-shaped glitter, which I totally love. That's just like the inner child in me that always loves anything glittery, especially if there are like unique glitter shapes and stuff. I really like it. So it is a darker green, which has my preference, and just the star-shaped glitter is really cute. And as you can see here, I was a little bit out of focus. I was trying to just get at least 1 or 2 of the star-shaped glitters on my nails. One tip that I would definitely recommend you guys trying out if you are struggling to get them on the brush, just take like a toothpick or maybe even a dotting tool and just place the star-shaped glitter onto your wet polish like that, because otherwise if you go on top with another layer, the star-shaped glitter will kind of disappear and will not be as visible if you would just place them on top of your fully like painted nails. So yeah, that's just a little like side tip that I really wanted to share, because otherwise it's just such a shame if you can't see the star-shaped glitter. So yeah, it actually was pretty much opaque within that second coat, so I was first of all kind of like scared, just like the first Midnight Owl polish, that this one wouldn't be super opaque within 2 coats, but it actually was quite decent after the second layer. The next one is a super rich, like luxurious gold color. Again, a lot of shimmer, a lot of holographic, like finely milled glitter in there as well. This one is called Bottle Service. It definitely is one of those golds that is more on the warmer side of like the tone spectrum, if you can call it like that. Because all of these polishes are super glittery, shimmery and so on, they do dry quite fast, so you do want to work a little bit faster than what you would usually do if you would apply a regular like creamy non-glittery polish, because these dry like a motherfucker. Let's just put it to that. If you are a little bit slow or a little bit like distracted when you are painting your nails, yeah, you really want to keep your head to these, especially if you're just applying one specific coat, because they dry quite fast, and if you wait a little bit too long while applying one single coat, you might get a streaky result. But yeah, Bottle Service is definitely a very rich color, super gold, super in your face. If gold is not for you, definitely skip on that color, of course, but I really love the fact that it was super opaque and just really glittery and shimmery and all over the place. I like it. The next one is actually one that I felt like could need some more glitter, which sounds insane because Crystal Skies is packed with shimmer and glitter, even some square shaped glitter as well, which I also really love. Like here goes my inner child again, which just loves anything with extra glitter. But one thing that I would have personally done if I would have created this polish is to add the star-shaped glitter in this one as well, just like the starry-eyed polish, especially with a name like Crystal Skies, like in the sky at nighttime. It is like an after party collection after all. You would be able to see some stars, you know. So yeah, I just feel like it misses out on the stars, and I would have personally definitely added those if I would have like created this polish. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. I really feel like, of course, it is a beautiful polish. There's already like a shit ton of glitter in here, but those little stars would go so well with this polish as well. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And also, if you are getting any of these polishes yourself, maybe you have purchased the collection too, let me know what you think about the first 5 colors that I've swatched so far. Then the 6th additional polish in this collection, it is actually called Disco Dust Taco. And it is a special effects topper. That is pretty much how I tend to call those. So there isn't like a color in the base, it's just a clear base, just like a top coat, but it contains a ton of multicolored reflective glitter. As I mentioned earlier in the video, it was quite hard for me to really capture how reflective this is, because I record my videos with 3 super bright, like super bright lights, so the reflectiveness was already kind of like there while applying. So when I was adding my phone's flashlight, I didn't really see a big difference, but I will just show you in a little bit what it looks like. Also, this is one of those top coats that is not really something you would wear on its own. I would definitely apply it on top of a black or maybe even a pink or a dark purple to really give the multicolored glitter its full potential. But as you can see here, while adding the flashlight, it wasn't too bad, but I feel like in real life it looked a lot more flashy and all that jazz. And I will just show you what the bottle looks like with an extra flashlight on top as well, just so you can pretty much see how reflective it is. But you can see here already, it already is super sparkly and just really pretty. I think it's just a really cute topper. If you are like me and you like anything glittery, shimmery, definitely pick it up. You can combine it with pretty much any color underneath. But yeah, this was my entire swatch and review video of the new Holo Taco After Party collection. Let me know what you think about these colors, if you like glitter just like me. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you next time.